Can you thank Rachel again?
Do them.
You could call Rachel. She's not on the airplane yet.
You want to call Rachel and thank her on the phone?
You can tell her you like it, the fire
Do
truck.
them laughing. Fire truck. Fire truck. Fire truck.
I love the fire truck.
No, fire truck.
Oh, I want the fire truck.
No, fire truck.
Is it Edmund's fire truck?
Yes.
You won't share it, Papa?
Yes.
Does Edmund love the fire truck? Whew.